In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a post in CoinMarketCap. This process is pretty straightforward, but I'll guide you through every step to make sure you can easily engage with the vibrant community there. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate to CoinMarketCap's website, a go-to platform for all things related to cryptocurrency. Once there, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon nestled in that corner. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to accessing all your community interactions, so it's important to know where to find it. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on My Community page. This hub displays your activities and interactions within the CoinMarketCap community and is where you'll find your feed of posts. Now, on your community page, you're going to look for the option labeled Feed. Clicking on Feed will bring up a stream of posts from other users. It's a fantastic place to see what other people are talking about, what trends are emerging, and what topics are currently hot in the world of cryptocurrency. As you scroll through the feed and find a post you want to comment on, look for the comment icon. This icon is typically represented by a small speech bubble or something similar at the bottom of each post. Click on it, and a text box will open up for you. It's time to share your thoughts. In the text box, type your comment. Remember to keep it respectful and on topic to ensure a positive community experience. Whether you're sharing an insight, asking a question, or even just expressing enthusiasm, thoughtful comments can lead to meaningful interactions within the community. After typing out your comment, go ahead and hit reply to post it. This action submits your comment and makes it visible to other users in the community. Congratulations, you've just engaged with a post on CoinMarketCap. Interacting in the CoinMarketCap community can offer great insight into cryptocurrency trends and help you stay connected with other enthusiasts. It's a simple yet effective way to share your voice and participate in discussions that matter to you. Always remember, the key to a thriving online community is engaging with others in a respectful and constructive manner. So, take a moment to thoughtfully consider how your comments can contribute positively to the conversation. And that's it. Following these steps will have you leaving comments on CoinMarketCap posts with ease. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a comment below, perhaps even practice what you've learned today.